Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Guten Morgen, Hubert. Alright. And I see Dobra Yutro, Caro, CK, Adam, Bradley. Thank you for coming in. Alright. Thank you so much. Yeah. Today I'm feeling better. But my vocal seems like it's getting all right, so anyway, importantly is the energy, huh? Okay, yeah, okay, so maybe one day I will sound like Arnold Schwarzenegger, huh? All right, okay, so let's come back here, okay, and yeah, let's us have the MT4 first, okay, so that we can what is going to have. Okay, so yes, okay, yes, hi Quack. 你好 Hi, Sawadee-krap, 168. Okay, thank you so much for coming in. Okay, so yes, guys, do remember to smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Right, so that we will build this community together with you. Alright, so yes, let's come in. AUDJPY. 哦，是的，我现在呢是以中文讲啊，是对不起，是以英文讲解啊。OK， 用英文讲解。如果你有什么问题的话，你可以用中文打上。 我可以用中文来回复你 ，OK? Alright, so yes, let's take a look. AUDJPY, okay? So AUDJPY over here, as we can see, alright, it is still in the bear. So yesterday it was over here, coming down to have a good shot over here, okay? Right. So and this is something that we are looking at. Okay, yep, okay, so but we are now onto the support, so quite not really a good one to continue to sell, so I will prefer to stay away for the moment. Okay, right, for buying, yes, quite possible, okay, for buyers that you can take note for buying. Okay, so the resistance is actually quite high up, so we still have some space for buying if you are looking into buying for AUDJPY. Right, okay, so yes, hi Hawaii. 168, thank you for NPass. NPass. Okay. Alright, so yes. Sorry, I tried to clear my throat away from the mic. Huh? I'm so sorry. Okay, so yep. So yes, let's take a look at Aussie franc. Aussie franc, right? Aussie franc over here. Aussie franc, we are in the bear. Today it seems like we also are very near to the support. So tentatively, I'm going to stay away from Aussie franc as well. Well, Aussie yen, right? Aussie yen, we are into the bear. We started the bear, okay, after the run, and now coming back into the bear. So today, looking at this, yes, we are in the bear. Let's check, is there any chance for us to sell? All right, so for this Aussie yen, okay, as you can see, my target is still here. So the resistance is up there, which has been tested since yesterday, and now started to shrink down with another selling trend over here. But however, right? So this is something to take note that we need to make sure that it has actually really come in as a selling before we can start selling. Okay. So yesterday was selling, and yes, I think that was pretty good. Together with Aussie dollar, am I right? Okay, so today we have some retracement. Let's wait for Aussie yen to test on the resistance. Okay, so or to build a new resistance, I would say that probably will be here. Okay, that the new resistance is going to build up in this area, then continue the selling. Then we can continue to sell as well. Okay, so that's for Aussie yen. All right, so I'm going to put Aussie yen into my selling list because I see quite potential, a great potential there, which I see now is ending more onto the 80%. So I wanted to put this watch list so that I can pay attention to that. Okay, so yep. Yes, okay. Hi Sabrina. Yes, hi. Okay, so and Roger, nice to see you here. Yeah. Yes, Roger, thank you. I'm recovering well. Okay, it's just that the vocal and shortness of breath. Okay, so panting. Yeah, okay, so anyway, yeah, I think that's the after effect of the COVID. Okay, never mind. Okay, stay strong. Okay, yes. Aussie Kiwi. Yes, Aussie Kiwi, we are still in the bull. As you can see, the bull is running very smoothly. So all these are actually running to what I see now is still running into bear. However, let's check. Okay, are we really into the bear? Yes, we already started the bear. It's just that the Aussie Kiwi, if you are going to sell for Aussie Kiwi, not for the support level. As I can see right now, we have one support level here, which is still a very good space down there. Okay, so over here we still have about 80 pips. Okay, so looking into Aussie Kiwi, selling is possible. All right, so is there any resistance that we need to pay attention to? Yes, we need to pay attention to this resistance level over here, as you can see, right? So this is the resistance level, okay, over here. Okay, so we just need to take note of this resistance level so that later on when we are, if there's a chance that it's actually retesting, then that will be good. So in this level, will that be considered one of the resistance level? I would say yes, probably it's good. Also over here where the support has broken and now coming back to retest as a resistance. So this is also one level that we can pay attention to. At any point of time when there's a new cycle of selling, yes, we can look out for selling, right? So that's for Aussie Kiwi. Yes, Aussie Kiwi, yes, I'm going to put this into watch this, right? Okay, so yeah, Aussie dollar, right? Aussie dollar. So Aussie dollar over here, okay, Aussie dollar. As we can see, Aussie dollar, we are still in the bear. So Aussie dollar is still quite good. Aussie dollar still looking out for selling. Okay, so we still have a good space down there for selling. And let's take a look. Where are we looking out for Aussie dollar? As we can see, Aussie dollar, the resistance is about here. All right, there's one level of resistance here. Back to the same resistance level over here. So we are just merely about 10 over pips away from the resistance. So one thing that over here, okay, for Aussie dollar, allow it to test on the resistance, and we're going to have a very good space down all the way to about 110 pips. It may take time to go down. Okay, however, I still see very good opportunity. Okay, why is that so? It's because yesterday the low was hasn't been taken out, so there may be a good chance there. Right, so probably we can pay attention to this. I will say probably, okay, it will go and test the resistance, then it will go down to take out the lows. Then after that, if you want to go up, then let it go up. Okay, I see that in a way, okay, that this is the movement for the Aussie dollar, right? So Euro Aussie is a very clear cut thing. Okay, now we are still in the bull. Okay, so tentatively no. Euro CAD. Okay, EuroCAD, I will say that tentatively, as we can see, it is also moving towards the north. Okay, so tentatively we are still in the bull, so selling is no. Okay, so let me skip all the way to Euro Yen. Well, Euro Yen over here, well, yesterday looking out for selling. However, the selling did a little bit, okay, but not a lot. So by looking at this, okay, I thought of having a new selling cycle and then have a chance to sell. However, it did not happen. Okay, and then still continue buying since this area here, it has went up for about almost 100 pips, 100 over pips. Yeah. So for Euro Yen today, you are still looking out for buy. I'm still looking out for a buy over to the resistance up there here. Okay, so tentatively, okay, we are just merely away about. I overlooked once here. Okay, so we are actually quite near to the resistance. Okay, which is about 35 pips away. So do take note. Okay, so it may be one of the resistance that is actually testing on, and probably we will have a chance to sell down from this area. Okay, all right. Yep. Congratulations, Caro. Gold TP 6 pips. Yes, the gold has achieved our target yesterday. 1726, right? Okay. Yes, I think plenty of people actually taken a profit yesterday in the market. As I read the report this morning, wow, there are a lot of money sitting on the 1726. I think that is yeah. Okay. Anyway, we'll come to that. Euro Kiwi, yeah, it's still in the bull, so I'm not going to touch this. All right. So Euro dollar, let's take a look. Euro dollar. Well, for Euro dollar, okay, as we can see for Euro dollar, tentatively, dollar is actually having a retracement in the bear market. Correct. This is the whole thing here. The general trend you are looking at is in the bear. So by looking at this, which is in the bear, all right, but the retracement up there, will there be any chance of coming back for selling? Yes, there is a chance coming back for selling, but I don't see. I see that they will try to break the 1:1, and break above the 1:1 first. Okay, so to strengthen their currency here. Well, I think this is something what are looking for. Okay, so over at this point here, So if we are going to sell euro dollar, let's wait for it to test on the resistance first. Okay, so as we can see, the resistance stands still the same. Okay, no change. Right. So over at this point here. Okay, so this is what I'm looking for. Okay, so yeah, let's just pay attention to that level. Okay, so that in that level we will be able to know that in this area, okay, it's going to test this resistance. It's about another 50 pips to go, so buying is still possible for now. As for me, if are you asking me if I'm going to sell the euro dollar today? Tentatively, there isn't any selling signal yet, so I will prefer to wait further. Okay, right? Okay, so pound Aussie. Let's take a look at pound Aussie. Right, pound Aussie. Well, pound Aussie today, looking at this from the bear, escalating up to take out all the losses previously incurred, and now it's actually facing up a challenge of the resistance over here. As we can see, will there be a chance of today that started to turn down? Okay, will there be any chance that it will start to turn down? I would say probably, but it will still need to test on the resistance before it actually got a chance to come down. Okay. So pound Aussie, hang on first, okay, which are still going along. Okay, yesterday, 168, okay, has taken the long trade. Focusing yesterday, I read your message on YouTube that you're focusing to buy this pound Aussie. I think this is fantastic. Okay, that's good. That's good. All right. So pound CAD. Okay, pound CAD. Pound CAD. Let's take a look at pound CAD. So pound CAD, we are also in the bear. Will today be the day that it will start to turn down, right? So pound Aussie, pound CAD actually is they are very similar. Okay, they are very similar. So at the moment, as we can see, all right, we are coming to the end. Okay, coming to an end of this retracement of this bull. Seems like it's coming into the bear, but it may be today or tomorrow. Okay, so we just need to observe it. Okay, so tentatively, I'm looking out for the resistance at this level. Okay, into this level. Okay, so I still see some space that it will still continue buying. Okay, it will still continue the buying. Right. So currently, okay, as we can see over here, right. So this point here, okay, this is something that okay. All right. So it's still a distance away, so I'm not going to put this in my watch list. All right. So for pound franc, yes, pound franc is the same thing happens. Okay, the same scenario as we can see from the past pound Aussie and pound CAD. We are still the resistance still remains the same, no change. So tentatively, I'm still looking at pound franc for a buying to test on the resistance before I take action. Okay. Right. So how about pound yen? Pound yen. Right. Pound yen actually by looking at this pound yen. Okay. Pound yen. If you're looking at the pound yen, it looks a bit different. The chart from pound franc, pound CAD, pound Aussie, pound CAD, pound Aussie, pound franc. They are all on the downward trend. Then with a retracement. So now this is an upward trend, come down and going back. This is not retracement. This is going back into the bull. Okay, it's going back into the bull. So, but when this bull actually ends the runs, okay, that where will it actually ends the running? Okay, so tentatively it has tested on this resistance. Seems like it will still continue to test the resistance. Okay, so allow it to test the resistance first before we take action for selling. Today, all the pounds I'm looking out for buying. Okay, right. So pound Kiwi, we are also in the bull. All right. So yeah, this is something. Okay, over here, as you can see, move around. now started to go back and wanted to take out this high. Okay, so were they able to hit the highs here? Okay, that may be a chance. But do they be a good time for selling? I will still say no. Okay. Tentatively, it is still not yet there. Okay, so be patient. I see all the red candle coming down, selling candle coming down. It's all, to me now, it is all a pullback. So currently, it is not a good time for selling, but look out for buying. Okay, right. So pound dollar, yeah, pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. We are also looking out for buying today. So selling, no. Okay, we are still going to test a little bit higher. This is not high enough because at least I'm taller than that. Okay, so this is not something that I'm looking at. So pound dollar will still go higher. Okay, at least taller than me. Then I will see that this is the resistance that we are looking out for. Okay, so this is the resistance that we're looking out for. Okay, so for pound dollar, yes, today we are still looking out for this buying. Okay, unless later on when the chance actually the seller comes in to show us that they are coming for a selling, then probably we can have short-term gains from there. But if not, then we'll just stay away. Okay, right. So today it looks like all the pound we are all looking out for buying. So just take note. Okay, so I'm going to focus a lot on pound. Right, dollar CAD. Take a look at dollar CAD. Right, dollar CAD over here. Yes, dollar CAD has escalating up for quite a while. Okay, and now it's actually retracing downwards, but it has a chance that actually could us to actually up these selling trades. Okay, well then we are actually for dollar CAD we have a selling opportunity. Okay, the selling is actually coming in. So for dollar CAD, yes, I'm going to put this into my watch list. Okay, for selling dollar CAD. Right, so we will take a look. All right, so now dollar franc. Well, dollar franc, the dollar franc, I'm going to give you the miss straight away because it seems like this is not anywhere, okay, showing any clear directions. It has a conflict of interest, in fact. Okay, so I'm not going to take this. For dollar yen, let's take a look at dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen. All right, so dollar yen, I think we are still pushing high price. I guess they are going to meet up with 145. Okay, I think 145 is highly possible. Okay, so still pushing. Okay, so buying. I think buying the space is still quite okay. Right, we still have about 90 pips to go, but I think for selling we have to take note. Okay, don't think that dollar yen. Yeah, if we have a sign of selling, but this sign of selling doesn't seem like it's a selling trend. It looks more like a pullback. Okay, so tentatively, I think probably I will just put this under observation before we actually concrete and conclude that this is going to be a selling trend. Okay, all right. So Bitcoin, let's go. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is coming into 20,000. So my target is 22,080 to 18,382. This is the range. Okay, this is the range that we're looking out for. So this is going to range around the area, right? So we can just grab any profits along the way. So for now, by looking at this, okay, I'm looking at this at 22,008. Okay, 22,008. So yeah, any selling, I won't be entering any trade, but for any buying, okay, probably I will be entering a trade. Okay, I'll be entering a trade for buying until 22,800. Okay. Yes, next to go. So for the gold, all right, congratulations, the gold. Okay, so we actually yesterday we are looking at we are from 1667 and our target is at 1726. So I think that's a pretty good one. That's actually going up to take out the price here. 1726 have achieved. Will this 1726 actually coming down for a selling? For now, right now, I would say that tentatively I cannot tell whether it is coming for a selling or it's going to test on 1726 once again. All right, so at this moment, okay, I would prefer to stay away. Let's see if there's any retesting of 1726 and to see if 1726 able to hold the price down. If it is possible, yes, then from there we can start selling. Okay, then we will be able to start selling. However, when we start selling, okay, where will be the price that actually is a concern? Okay, that where will be the support coming in? Support level will be in the range. Okay, so here to here. Okay, so this will be right. So tentatively, this will be the 1702 will be the one level that entering into the support area. So 1695 will be the lowest of the support level over here, as I can see. So it may comes into the range, then started to escalate up again. Okay, unless it breaks below and continue the selling, then okay, of course that's good for selling. But for now, I guess it's a good time to stay away for now. Okay, all right. Okay, guys. I guess that's all for me today. All right. So let's check what do we have for all of you here. Well, we have okay, so today it looks like we don't have a lot of currency pairs here. So we can focus on Aussie Yen, Aussie Kiwi, Aussie Dollar, and Dollar CAD. Okay, so we have all these 4 pairs to focus, so that I guess it will actually help us to trade better. So yeah, later all the other details will come into the London session. So in another 1.5 hours, I will come back into the live session so that we can trade together, discuss the trade together online. Okay. Right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, alright, and smash the like button for the effort behind the videos. And I shall see you in the London session. Thank you so much, guys, and this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub.